It's your birthday, Jayden.
For my birthday?
Yeah.
Jayden, climb up here. Come see what's up here. That's Woody.
What? What do you do?
You put candy in him.
Huh?
We put candy in him. Mommy will show you how to do it.
How?
There's JoJo.
How do it?
Happy birthday, Jayden. Happy birthday.
What else is up there? Those are tattoos. And those are glow-in-the-dark bracelets. It's my birthday. Happy birthday.
I did that for my birthday. I did all of these for my birthday.
Yeah.
And those are for pizza.
For pizza? Oh boy.
We're having pizza today.
Look, that's your cup. That you can use that cup.
Wait
It's a
till
Toy
you
Story.
see what the plate's do.
There.
Birthday
You want
hat.
to put it on?
Yeah, for my birthday.
Not yet, for his birthday.
He's getting his tattoo.
Dun,
His first ever tattoo.
On the dry.
That's Slinky. Let me see. Who's on there? Wait, oh. Look at this. Slinky? Wow. Slinky. That is so cool, Jayden.
What do you want next? Which one?
The other snake.
The other Slinky?
You should do a different one.
Which
Like Buzz
one?
Lightyear,
Buzzing,
maybe?
buzzing.
No,
Oh, no,
this
that's
one.
not
This one again.
How about Forky?
No, this one again.
How about Slinky?
Yeah, Slinky. The Slinky again. This Slinky right there too.
Oh my goodness. What another one.
Jayden, how old are you?
The many.
Yeah. How many is that? Count it. Bless you. Count it. How many is that?
Why these are going down?
It does not staying down?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is why he's going down. Come back.
Like this many. Like this many.
This many?
Like this.
Yeah, good job.
There?
Two Slinky dogs. Wow. Happy birthday.
Show Mama what you got. He's got tattoos.
Oh my goodness.
Guess who gave them to him?
Who?
Mimi gave him tattoos.
Very cool.
First attempt at the number 3. Oh, nope. It's the number 3. You see it? Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. Today it's my buddy's birthday. Right? He's got his birthday pancake. He is a big boy. He's 3 years old now. You're not 2 anymore. Now you're 3. Wow, you're such a big boy. What do you want to do today?
I don't know. I want to do that. have my birthday. I wanna play on my birthday.
You want to play? What do you want to play?
I wanna look for the tractor and we'll see what's inside of my box with my tractor.
I think today we're gonna get some pizza, and I will go pick up your birthday cake. And should we do a piñata today?
Yeah, in our house.
And should we do pin the tail on the donkey? Yeah? And what else should we do today?
Others too.
Oh. Should we maybe go swimming today? Yeah? What else do you want to do? I love you. I can't believe you're so big. Did you show them your Woody? We put candy in him. You put candy in him, you go like this, and we put candy in there, and then we close it, and then we go like this, bloop, and he pops out the candy. Yeah? Maybe we'll put candy in him later. Okay? First, let me show you. Jayden, let me show you what I got. Look. Who's on there? Here. You got a little balloon. You want to see what else I got? This bubble gun. That's empty. And you want to see your cake? This is your bubble gun. Do you want to see your cake now or later?
I want to see my cake now.
Right now? Okay, come over here. It's in Mom's fridge. Close your eyes, buddy. Ready? And open them. Who's on there?
Yeah.
Who is it? Who else is on there? Woody's on there.
Hoodie!
Woody Blowfish.
It's Hoodie!
We can have your cake later. Where are we gonna go? Go right on Choo Choo Thomas? That sounds like so much fun. Can you push the number 1?
Big number 1.
Where is it? Where's number 1?
Right here.
Yeah.
And they swing from tree to tree with one arm.
Remember we went to the zoo and we saw the monkeys dancing there.
Aren't they funny to watch?
I like it.
Yeah.
All aboard, Jayden.
There we go!
Thank you.
Oh, what? Thank you.
Here we go. Here comes another bump. Yeah, he likes bumps. Whoa.
Right there.
There they are. Jojo.
Bye.
All right, time to get off. Do you need help? You got it? Good
Want to tell the
job.
driver thank you?
You want to tell him thank you?
Come here. Come over here. Say thank you.
I don't know.
I just made that one.
Now, how about
See your face.
my milkshake brings all the boys to the other day? No.
I don't even know the words to that. Mom's on a
It
roller
is a
story and
good-
we're trying to get out there and,
My hot dog has
and
a
ruin
first
it.
name.
What?
How about?
It's not going to matter because as soon as you open one mouth, you're done.
She's
We
actually.
gotta get at least one verse in.
Come on, let's get closer.
She's actually coming inside.
closer to attack mode.
There she is. We're gonna go ruin her Marco.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Wait, we have
You
to
ready
sing
for
it
attack?
in that
No.
voice?
You ready for attack mode?
We are family. I got all my sisters and me. We are family. Get on everybody.
we got another song? What's our next act?
Wait, we'll give her a few minutes to get back into her
But
march.
make sure she doesn't move though.
Stupid.
Make sure she doesn't move.
I know she.
What's our next song?
I don't know what.
Autumn, I need eyes on her. I need eyes on her. Make sure she doesn't move.
She's not moving.
We're planning.
Okay.
She's making Marco.
Alright, we ready? Even if she has to start the video again, we gotta go.
Wait, Mamma Mia, what? How's it go? What?
My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia.
I don't
Does
know
it
the
show
words, I'll just
again?
get in there and mumble. How about everywhere around the world?
I don't know that one.
Come, Sweet Caroline. Ready?
We do that one for everything.
Shut your mouth. Sweet Caroline. Yes, no, maybe so.
We all don't care anymore.
A Barry song. It's gotta be Barry Manilow. Barry Manilow.
Manny Barlow. This is just getting worse.
Copacabana.
It's just bad.
Copacabana?
How about, what's the song's Pop?
Oh god,
McWilliams
she's
would sing?
facing this direction
What
now.
about the ones Pop McWilliams would sing? The anchor holds?
Yeah.
No, on the way to Cape.
Yeah,
Ready?
On the Way to
Ready?
Cape May.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
On the way to Cape May, I fell in love with you. On the way to Cape May, I saw my dreams come true. I was taken by your smile as we drifted by the sea isle. My heart was gone till we reached Avalon. They're all looking at us.
On the way to Cape May.
Everybody in the pool area started to look up at our floor. We got all the people down by the pool area looking up here now.
We should just do it in the pool. Is that on?
There's some people down there still looking up waiting for something to happen.
Because they can't see you, they think we're doing it for them. We're all going, ah.
There's like there's a couple, like 3 people over in that direction, older people, and they're like looking out.
I told them we should go down by the pool and just dance through the pool and sing songs and
Oh,
like
of course.
do a train right out of there.
Yeah.
But Francie will lead.
Yeah.
Miss you.
Where the street turns, she'd go right on the sidewalk.
Hey you. Yeah.
He's right there.
Hi, cutie. Hey, Jayden, do you know where we're going? We're gonna go to the arcade and we're gonna go get some pizza.
Look both ways before you get crossed.
Okay, let's go. Poor Jayden, he's got to share his birthday with the whole national emergency on the coronavirus thing. Mom and Mum just went to CVS to go try to get toilet paper, and I think Mum said she got like the last 2 rolls or something at CVS. Pretty annoying.
What?
It's like people don't want to panic and they don't want to buy everything at the store and wipe out the shelves, but they kind of have no option because other people are wiping it out. So it's just sad, right?
Gonna have to be just a hand wipe.
Hand wipe, yep. At least there's a lot of leaves on the trees. We always,
Would it be a right hand or a left hand? With my right, it better be a left.
probably a lefty, yeah. Except Mom's lefty, so she'll probably have to swap that. She'll have to use her right hand for wiping. Yeah, so
You would never go.
I can only think of like the people here on vacation though. They can't necessarily just go to the store and stock up on all the essentials because they're not home. And that's kind of where I'm at too. Oh, you know what? We should be on the sidewalk. But now we get to tell Jayden and Cadence when they were little that they lived through the coronavirus disease. Apparently they're calling it a disease, but it's basically just the flu. So I don't understand why they're calling it a disease. So frustrating. So yeah, it's very interesting. Disney's closing down. All the parks are closing down. The villages are closing down all of their squares. A lot of stuff is closing down.
And I can say that I lived through the coronavirus.
Yeah, you can. You really can. Another news. Look at this girl. Look at this cutie.
What happens?
She doesn't care.
No, I'm just saying, isn't it interesting how
I don't think Lewing will.
How there have been viruses and plagues and stuff over history, but yet something like this now has made everyone so scared because it's on everyone's phones, everyone's getting updates, it's on TV.
Well, you know what else we should broadcast on everybody's phones? That Joey said he would beat me in golf and he lost.
The mortality rate.
To me too.
He
Oh,
lost.
he's such a wimp.
Oh please.
Please.
I was
broadcast
going easy
that.
on her.
Yeah, I'm sure you.
What? Yeah,
I was
right.
going on easy on her because
I
it was
beat
her first
them
time playing in a
all.
long time. I didn't want to embarrass her.
I beat them all. It was Dad, Daryl,
You actually have no proof.
Andrew, Evan,
You have no
Joey,
proof.
Autumn, and
It's
Libby.
your word against mine.
Oh, I have the
It's
scorecard
your
at
word against
home.
mine, honey.
I have the scorecard back at the room, and I can prove it. Read it and weep, boys.
You want some too?
Coronavirus. Ready? You want a little bit?
Here.
Let me see you do it fast. Good job. Jayden got a strike. Woohoo! His cheeks. Okay, his cheeks were funny. That was a very interesting ride. I can't say that he enjoyed that very much. Look at him. Hi! You wanna find Daddy? Let's see how Dad's doing over here on the Wizard of Oz. How's it going? Good tickets? Not that I know of. You are?
Rapid fire.
Oh,
Thumbs up, Papa. There we go.
got it.
I just won a piece of candy.
Daddy won you the Hot Wheels car.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh,
I'm saying thank you for getting Jayden that.
And Libby got him the ball.
Here, hold it.
Wow. So cool, dude. Watch what the plates do. Ready? You go into this app. What is this thing called? I think it's called Martles. And look at the plate. Okay, there's the Toy Story plates. And watch this. Buzz! Buzz is on the plates! And he'll wave. He's waving. Whoa, Buzz, what are you doing on the plates, Buzz? What is Buzz doing on the plates? How is he on the plates? How's he doing that? Oh, Buzz is on the table! Buzz! Look, he'll walk around. There he goes, he's walking around. Buzz! Is that cool or what? Yeah, so it's this app called Martles, and it was advertising on these party plates that if you download it, you can see them in live action. It's kind of cool. I will cut it for you, okay?
No, I want to eat it.
You want to eat it like this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get in your high chair. Is it good? Oh, I'm so glad you like it. Thumbs up, right?
He's 3 now. He doesn't need to do pizza.
Oh, right. Yeah, I guess I don't need to cut his pizza anymore because he's a big boy.
I'm 3.
Yeah, you're
He's
three.
this many. Jayden, how many are you? Wow.
So Jason, and I had to drive him to school. Come on. As I'm driving, Jason, get the papers from the nurse. Okay.
7's a hard age. Let me just say.
Well, I don't think you were 7. It might have been 8.
8
It
is
doesn't
tough
matter.
age. It's tough age at 8.
16.
So this went on for probably a good 2 weeks, and it got to the point that they had bowling for the older kids, and I used to go every week to keep score. And Nicole would bowl, and I would he had to sit in the chair and just watch them. Couldn't have a snack. Nicole and everybody, all the grades. I'd pull up, and then you'd hear all the kids yelling, "Mrs. Jeffers, he didn't get them!"
That was before we knew snitches get stitches.
And Nicole would say every day, "Mom, I'll go down and get them," and I wouldn't let her. So now I'm thinking, what else can I do? He's punished, he can't go out. Then, all right, he liked snacks, so I took all the snacks away. Then he had to come home and do his homework and go right up into his bedroom. Nothing phased him, he didn't care. This went on for weeks.
All to just get the teacher his papers?
That's all he had to do.
So now
So he never got the papers. He never got the papers until his father
Jayden,
finally
no.
said, "If you don't get them today, when I come home, you're getting beat with the belt."
Wow, that's Evan and Drew.
And boom, he got the papers. He did the report and he got a D- because it was so late. Now years later, 20 some years later, I find out he didn't care that he was punished upstairs because all his friends were playing hockey in the street in front of our house at that age. And
That's 2 different Jasons.
he was keeping all his stats at that age.
That's 2 different ages.
Look. He's so excited. Oh, she's got me.
Oh,
She's got me.
she's eating it. She's consuming the tent.
And she's like, "Oh,
Attack and action.
Distraction. Distraction.
What does it mean, Miller?
We're about to move on to the next event of the what?
Can I get a toy
Oh
tattoo?
yeah, should we do a tattoo?
It's so.
Rabbit and Ducky? Okay.
He says I should have Buzz Lightyear. Which one should Andrew have?
$20.
The shoes?
Yeah.
Drew, you're getting the shoes. Which one does Poppy get?
So let's
He gets Bo Peep. So where's my switch?
What's this, Jaden?
Oh yeah, that's yours.
Jaden, what's this? What's that one?
Andrew has the shoe print right here, Jaden, right under that one. I got my tattoo.
My tattoo.
I got Buzz and Porky. He's got Slinky. Mimi got Giggle McDimples. And Daddy got Poppy got Bo Peep. And Libby got I forget their names, I'm not sure. Bunny and
Bubbles
Ducky.
and big ears.
Bunny and Ducky. And Autumn got Forky. My mom got Jessie and Woody. And Joey got.
Excuse you.
It's not focusing. Joey got the alien. Drewby was originally assigned the Andy footprints, which Jaden doesn't know that we call him Andy. I gotta zoom in. It's not focusing on it. Oh, stop it. Oh.
Are you getting it? Are you getting
He got the Andy, but he screwed it up and put it on his wrist, so we had to reassign him new ones. And he got, it's not focusing. There we go. What is it?
Rocket.
Oh, it's upside down. Rocket. And then Daddy got Duke Kaboom. He got Duke Kaboom. I think that's it. Kiki doesn't get one. All right. Oh, Evan, forgot Evan.
Not all of them.
Evan got Rex.
Not all of them.
Oh, it's,
Yeah, he smeared away and
oh, poor Rexy. Okay, now we are gonna play Pin the Tail on the Jaden. Oh, pin the tail on the Andrew! Oh, wait. Pin the tail on the donkey! Oh, are you ready? You are gonna go first, and we'll give you number 3. Because you are 3 years old now. Walk forward and put the tail on there. Okay.
That's a good one. That's gonna be hard to write. C. Good job.
Wow. All right, I'll spin you around 11 times. Okay? No. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right.
Right now, your face towards the right way.
All right. Now walk forward.
Don't touch.
Keep your eyes closed.
Don't touch it with your hand.
Don't touch the wall. Just put it on.
Where's the sticker?
You have it in your right hand.
Can't touch anything.
All right. Put it on. No feeling.
You're cold.
All right. Put it on.
You're cold.
Put it on.
Let her know where.
You're cold. Go to the left.
Well, I already put it on, so.
All right. Take your blindfold off. 10, 11. All right.
Okay.
6, 7, 8,
Oh.
8, 9, 10.
Oh.
Knock out.
Oh, where am I? Oh.
Okay, a little bit this way. Wait. No, stop it!
I'm leaning.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. You gotta turn this way a little bit. All right.
Back him up. He's too close.
Back up.
I'm wobbly.
All right. You're centered. Now you can go forward.
Can I touch the wall?
You can go forward. Just
Okay,
yeah.
down here somewhere.
All right. Just put it on. Okay.
He's got a leak.
Oh boy, that's
Walkie donkey.
I'm scared. I don't know where the
You're going to the left.
Huh?
You're okay. Go ahead. Wait, don't feel it. Just put it on.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
Yeah.
Wait.
9, 10, 11, 12. How old are you?
15.
Okay, good. 12. Okay. All right. Go forward. Is he gonna do it?
Oh, he's
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Yes. Number 6. Oh, you got pretty close. No, you cheater!
What?
You're feeling for the knob on the floor. There we go.
Somebody has to spin me.
Who's number 4? I think Joey was.
Somebody has to.
Oh my God, what's your do?
Go.
You're doing it. Yeah, girl. You're doing it. Oh.
Woo! Yeah! Oh man! Oh, nice!
She got closer than me.
Go. Okay, is it too much?
It's kind of getting there.
All right, ready? All right, walk forward.
Lower. Put your hand lower.
Lower.
What?
Walk forward. Okay, never mind. Walk forward. We were gonna try to help you, but walk forward.
Lower. Put your hand lower.
What the crap?
She already knows.
Oh.
Just go. 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 Put it on.
What happened?
They all matches.
They not go as planned.
I think the one on the door is the best.
I know.
I say we leave
Jaden,
it.
go get the donkey a hug.
I tried feeling it.
Where's my phone? Liv, where's my phone?
Oh!
Oh, wow.
What a nice one.
Face plant.
Hey.
Jaden, who's on your cake?
It's Sparky. This way or this way?
No, she can cut it.
This way or
No,
this
cut
way?
it. I
One of
don't
each.
want to ruin it and make it mess.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll listen to you.
She'll make a mess.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaden. Happy birthday to you.
Blow them out.
Blow 'em out.
Blow 'em out.
Blow 'em out. Blow 'em out.
Get him, Jaden. Get him.
One last one. Wait, I just lit those.
Hurry
Get
up.
'em out. Get it.
Blow it hard.
Closer, closer.
Get him. Go closer to him.
Yeah.
Get it.
Get him.
Get it.
Wait a minute.
Get it.
I didn't think about this. Stop. The alarms are gonna go.
Oh gosh. Take the cake outside.
Cake outside.
Get the cake outside. Get the cake outside. Get the cake
Actually,
outside.
just put them in water.
Get the cake outside.
Put them in water.
Open the door. Open the door.
You're sitting there.
Right there.
Everyone.
Get the towels.
Open the doors.
Actually, I wonder if they're just heat. They might only go off with the heat. Somebody spilled water on the floor. It's always gonna fall.
Just open all the doors. We gotta open. Everyone, we will be serving cake outside.
Why not inside?
Well, just because the cake's out here now.
Just say that's where we're going.
I know. I did not think about that. Say, Evan, can you wash him off?
Evan, can you watch it now?
Woo! Let's bring the cake back in.
Oh, no.
We did not think that through. We did not think that through. But it's a good thing that we did not have the alarms go off. That would be pretty embarrassing. I'm gonna try to juggle the cake with one hand. We're gonna see how this goes. Joe, can you grab the plates that are out there, please?
Happy.
Jaden's gonna be like, remember? We was at another episode of Drop the Cake.
I almost dropped the cake.
Okay, first no lighter, and then a
That was like when Mom dropped the pizza in the oven. All we heard was that.
Who's that guy with the mustache and the beard?
They had their own party for you in Belize.
Aww.
Isn't that nice?
Brendan and Brendan, Amber, and Emery.
He said we're gonna get ice cream. Thanks, Jaden.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
What is it? You got a book? I don't know if he even knows what the other one is.
Jaden, you know what this is? What is this? What is it? It's a blanket.
open it up. Whoa.
Should we open it up?
Oh, this is gonna be a really big blanket. Oh wow, this is a big boy blanket.
Oh,
I would like that.
This is a
It comes with cardboard.
this what? This what?
Jaden, look how big it is.
This is a big boy blanket.
Wow.
Big boy blanket.
We could almost wrap him up like a taco.
This is a big boy blanket.
What's more?
What is that?
Oh, did you guys finish?
Oh,
It's Rubble.
Wow, it's a mama.
Another one. Let's do another one. Oh my gosh.
Look at my mom's got you a card too.
She got you a card. Jayden, open up the card.
You got another one.
Wait, let him look at the card first. Wow, that is a cool card.
Open up.
Oh, hey,
Open the card.
open the
It's
card.
from Mom. Shake it.
We'll have to read it to you.
Oh, what's in there? Oh, a baby blanket. Another baby blanket.
A blanket for Kiki.
And
What is it?
Another one.
Your sidewalk chalk.
Wow. Maybe tomorrow we can go out on the sidewalk. Here we go. Here goes Mr. Woody. Mr. Hootie, as Jayden likes to say. Jayden.
Open it up.
Open it up.
It's a piñata. I'll let Andrew hold it up
Hello, Mom.
and we'll get the broom.
Andrew forgot his metal underwear.
Where's the...
Wait, I have to put something on you.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Don't break it.
My new tooth.
Over here. Go. Get him hard. Get him as hard as you can.
Get out of here. So you realize I'm pulling you up, right?
Right there.
Hold him right there.
Get him right there. Pull him right there, not hit him.
Now get him.
Andrew could have helped Woody at the
Go ahead,
same
use that.
You don't tear him up. You gotta hit him. Hit him, right?
I'm gonna hold him right there.
All right, should we pull the strings?
Yeah.
Pull it. Oh, we're on the fast track. Okay.
You gotta do one at a time.
Wait, I'll pick one. I'll pick, how about green? Oh, didn't work. You
Try
pick
again.
one. Why are the strings coming out of his butt?
Kayla, he's carrying him in one.
Pull it. Oh, he's pooping. There he goes.
Give me your change.
Stop it, you're frustrating him. Joey, read the book, the card to Jayden.
Happy birthday, Jayden! Happy loves you and is happy that we got to celebrate your birthday with you at the Westgate Resort in KaysLife, Florida.
Happy birthday, you little stinker. I hope this will be the best third birthday you'll ever have. May this day bring lots of cake, candy, and thus lots of energy. Go crazy, kid. Love, Joey.
Happy birthday, Jayden. Hope you have a fun birthday. Love, Liberty. Jayden, so happy to be spending your third birthday with you in Florida. We love you so much. Love, Mimi. Happy birthday. I hope your birthday is as fun as you wanted it to be. I love you. Have fun. Love, Autumn.
Hey, Jayden. When you are older and can read this, call me and tell me how beautiful I am. Sincerely, Uncle Kaka. P.S. My number is 520-257-6981.
Happy birthday, JJ. Hope you have the bestest day ever. Love, Evan.
I have to look.
Those are pretty accurate.